Good afternoon. My name is Sungwon, and I'm with my teammates Mackenzie, Rachel, and Ingrid. And together, we're Team ResourceDot. So as developers, we frequently have to teach ourselves new technologies, but the problem is the amount of learning material on the internet can be a bit overwhelming. Well, ResourceDot can help. It is a centralized repository for sharing learning material for developers. Users can easily find, share, and rate articles they've found to be useful for learning new technologies. So with a simple search here, users can find all the relevant articles in our database, and they're listed in the order of popularity. Now, Mackenzie will delve into where these resources came from.
So one of the interesting challenges that we faced in building this app was how to populate it with real quality resources. To achieve this, we built custom web scraping scripts to gather data from several popular development blogs. We then piped this data into a comma-separated value file and then later used it to seed our database with over 2,000 resources. So now we can take advantage of having all these useful links in one place. We can click on the title and open it in a new browser tab. And if we like it, we can like it on the site, and that will affect its popularity in the search results. It will also add it to a liked resources page on our profile. Now, something else we can do with resources is add them to something called guides, and guides are essentially lists that users can curate by topic. Our current user has an interest in typography, so she's going to gather several links on typography into a guide. She gives it a title and a description, and then tags it with any relevant topics. So now, once she saves it, it will appear in any search results for other users when they search for typography. So now Rachel is going to take us through how we can add new resources to ResourceDot.
Thank you, Mackenzie. So our user was browsing the internet today and found a great article about typography. But oh no, it's not on ResourceDot. No problem. She can add all the information for the article directly to the site, choose the guide she wishes to add it to, and add any relevant tags for the article. She clicks the button, the article is added to our database, and the resource appears in her guide. If she wants to change the order of her guide, she can go to her profile, click on the guide, and drag and drop the resources into her desired order, and save it so that it is ready to be shared with her friends and colleagues. She goes back to her profile, she realizes that even though she's been learning JavaScript and Angular, she's also been learning React and Backbone, and she'd like to get some resources on that. So she adds the topics, and the recommended resources update with resources about the new topics that she is learning. When she wants to go and find her friends, she can type in their names on our site, follow them, and check out all of their guides that they have made as well. And now Ingrid will tell you a little bit more about our database models.
So we set up our database with 4 models: tags, resources, guides, and users. And in order to incorporate some of the features, such as liking or disliking resources and creating guides, we had to think carefully about how the models should relate to each other. We ended up with each model having a many-to-many relationship with each of the other models. Additionally, the user model is unique in that it also has a many-to-many relationship with itself because of the fact that users can have many other users as friends. Finally, after setting up these relationships, we wrote a robust suite of tests to verify that our routes and associations were functioning properly. If you'd like to explore our website, we are live at resource.cool, and our source code is also on GitHub. Thank you.